Hello Cutters, my name is YR and welcome to my second video. In this video, I will teach how to make centered tabletop joinery detail. But before that, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, click the subscribe button below, and don't forget the bell icon to receive update for new videos.
Cancers, let's start. I've already prepared the drawing, so I'll just gonna explain how is it done. So we have here the plan, the section, and the picture. So in the picture, you can see we will take our section on this part. It's a part of the leg passing through the top. So let's go and let's start with the leg. I'll show you the leg. Please don't be disturbed with the hatch. I just made the hatch like this so it will be identifiable, or is it it will be easily identified which is this part. Okay, this will be the leg. That's the pyramid. That's the design, the in front. Okay, and next thing to do here is the top part of the table. You need to identify the width of the top and the thickness, which is the top here. I will be using an MDF. Yes, you heard it right, MDF top, and leg will be basically solid wood. It's very hard to make a leg with an MDF. Okay, top will be constructed by 18 mm MDF, and then as you can see, the table is looking like a wooden finish, so we need to press here a veneer matching with the table, or let's say the easiest way is, because we can see the grain, let's say beach veneer will be advisable, because the beach veneer is a light color veneer, which is you can stain it with light to dark, and then leaping on the edge. Okay, so in this case I decided that our top will be 10 centimeters or 100 mm, and then we will we will do next to the top is the fascia. This fascia is not solid wood. It is a it's either, let's say it's either 3 mm MDF laminated, because it's 3 mm and we need to achieve thickness of it. It's a minimum of 12 mm. So in this case, I just made a 12 mm thick. It's MDF fascia, which 12 mm cannot be bent by itself, so you need a 3 mm, then bend it, laminate it by 4. So in this fascia we can use MDF or a bend fly, but a bend fly is much advisable than MDF, because bend fly can be bended easily. Okay, and this fascia is going through the top. This will be the interlocking, or which you can support the top in a way that you can support the top. And this fascia will also interlock with the leg. Will go inside the leg. Okay, guys. And the next thing here will be the support, which is also a solid wood. There. Support in terms of where you're gonna support your top and fascia. As you can see, the screw here will be like this. So this screw is fixed to the fascia, and this screw is fixed to the top. Why the screw for this is hidden? Because you cannot show your screw from the top, so you need to screw it here from the support, and then you need to screw here below to support your top, and this will be a hidden part of the table. Nobody will try to look at below or under the table just to see how it's fixed. Okay, this is the way this table is constructed. But guys, I'm not telling that this is the only construction for this table. There's a lot of materials, or a lot of way that you can construct. This is only my idea how to construct this table in a cheapest way. But before we end this video, we we're, we haven't shown this glass on top. So this glass will be here. As you can see, this let's see, beveled glass. So as for me, this is not same level with this wooden top here, this wooden border. So as you can see, the glass is higher than the border. Okay guys, and that's end my video. So hope to see you again in my next video. So yeah, captures, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell icon to receive new update for my new videos.